y'abakinnyi ba filime muri muzi wacu Best Actress TV Best Actress TV Series. Turashaka kumenya ni bande muri abo bose turirimba tumenye ibishurire wahize abandi wegukanye igihembo cya Mashariki bibaye ku nshuro ya 10 Mashariki African Film Festival. If we have the video, let's play this Best Actress Iziwachu TV series. Nicole Uwineza. Best Actress Iziwachu TV series. Arakoze cyane, reka dusabe bwana Brave aduhishurire ninde wegukanye iki gihembo wahize abandi.
For the Best Actress Iziwachu TV series, who is she? Tesi
Kaitesi Yvonne alias Tesi ntabwo yashoboye kuboneka. She is unfortunately not available, so he's going to accept the award on her behalf. Naye nagiye kwibaza Tesi yazanye ubwanwa bwawe. I know. Yeah. We should have been
because one is the fact she remains the winner of the Best Actress of Iziwachu TV series. Tessie, congratulations. We wish you a speedy recovery.
Absolutely.
Now, on to the next.
So the best short film.
Best short film.
Africa.
Yes, we will welcome the jury for this special category to come and give us a few comments on what was the basis of selecting the winner. The jury.
So as we are waiting for the jury, there's a video playing all the nominees. Can we kindly play this one as well? Okay, the video doesn't seem to be playing. Let's say a few words.
So the basis of selecting the winner. Unfortunately, one of our chief judge had to leave this morning, so me and my colleagues will represent him. The winning film is a moving exploration of loss, grief, and recovery, underscored by strong performances that resonate deeply with audiences. Through its compelling storytelling and emotive universal quest for peace and understanding. And the award for the first short film and festival 2024 goes to congratulations to the award representative of Her Majesty, representative of Her Majesty to come and present the award to the best short film winner. Monica will receive the award on behalf of the winner.
Okay, if we don't have a representative from Iowa, please do the honors.
Monica is receiving the award. Congratulations again.
Thank you very much indeed. So we are back in the homeland for our very own, and this one is the Lifetime Achievement Awards that we are going to celebrate.
Yes, we will watch the trailer if it's available. Your attention and your presence to deliver the award to the winner. If there is a trailer, please play it. Other than that,
Antoinette, it's a lady from I don't know. Tukongera amashyi cyane amashyi menshi cyane arakuriye ntare y'ingore.
thank you so much, Mr. Williams, for the presentation of the award. Congratulations again to the winner. You both were looking so regal. It looks almost planned.
Absolutely.
But that's just by all means. The award giver, the award receiver. I like this energy. Well done. Now, on to the next.
So this one was on the female side.
Yes.
Now we have also on the male side, Lifetime Achievement Awards.
Iziwachu Lifetime Achievement Award, male category.
Absolutely.
We will have the Azam representative come present the award. The representative from our sponsor Azam, please make your way forward to present the award. For Iziwachu Lifetime Achievement Award male category, the winner is, we're about to find out. Congratulations, Mr. Willy Dahiro. Akaba ariwe uhizabantu muri Iziwachu Lifetime Achievement Awards. Iwachu as Best Actor in the Web Series. We're about to find out who the winner is.
Okay. Twatanze ibihembo mu bakinnyi bo muri filime z'uruhererekane zica ku
We call on Mike to come and present the award. Mike and CJ to present the award of the winner. We are the nominees.
Nababonye abarimo kurushanwa Best Actor Web Series. Reka CJ atubwire who is the winner.
Ninde mukinnyi mwiza muri kategori y'abagabo muri seri zica kuri murandasi.
And the winner is Killerman.
Best Actor in the Web Series.
Congratulations, thank you so much. Best Actress Web Series cyangwa se umukinnyi w'umugore muri seri zica kuri murandasi. Ninde wahize abandi? For the presentation of the award of the Best Actress in the Web Series in the Ziwachu category, please welcome a Ben Plus sponsor, the representative of Ben Plus, and Monica. The representative of Black Corniche, representative from Black Corniche, our sponsor Black Corniche, please make your way forward to give the award of the winner.
Dufite video yatwereka abo bakinnyi batandukanye kugira ngo tumenye ninde uri bwegukane iki gihembo cy'abakinnyi b'abagore bahize abandi kuri seri zica kuri murandasi filime z'ubuhererekane. Kumenya Uwase Delphine, Irafasha Sandrine, Uwimungu Sandra, Urakoze Alliance Vanessa, Uwamahoro Antoinette, Mutemase Nadia, Keza Lida. Alright, Best Actress Web Series, and the winner is
Best Actress from FESTI, Vanessa
Rufina Maya, Vanessa Ironikunda.
the best director for the web series.
Professor Armando and Farida Armando, you can please do the honors and help us award the best director of web series right here in Rwanda.
And the winner is Papa Sava.
Congratulations!
Papa Sava! Papa Sava! Félicitations à Papa Sava. On a photo pour lui, ce caractère.
We have celebrated the best director in the web series. But you also know we have the TV series category. So who is the best director in the Easy One Show for the TV series? To present the award, we would like to welcome the representative of Wallonie-Bruxelles International. Représentant de Wallonie-Bruxelles International, veuillez vous présenter devant. Merci. Who is the winner of the best director TV series category? There is a few minutes left for us to find out.
ariko bahaye igikombe umuntu utari igikombe cy'abana
twabakingirije bisanzwe kubabona neza abangaba nibo batunganya nibo bayobozi ba za filime zica kuri televiziyo muri filime z'iwacu iz'uruhererekane. Best director is Iwachu TV series and the winner is Nyarwanda
Congratulations, Roger, for winning.
mubongera amashyi menshi umva utamuha amashyi afite ishyari mumuha amashyi menshi cyane nta shyari riri hano ni muri Mashariki. No jealousy here, only winners, no losers.
All winners.
Just present winners and future winners and past winners. Only winners. So what's coming? What's next? We have also to the best feature film. The best feature film.
And for this is very special. We will welcome the jury to tell us a few comments on how the process went about to select the best feature film. To present the award, we would like to welcome the representative of the Rwanda Film Office, Madame Bondit. make your way up front. Do us the honors to give the award.
badufashe gutanga icyo gihembo no kudusobanurira icyagendeweho.
Trailer Festival as a team twaricaye turavuga ninde mu dukunda cyangwa se inshuti yacu ariko bose turabakunda ariko tuza guhitamo Clapton. That's why we saw him on the festival trailer as we are celebrating the 10th anniversary. Manzi rero nta yindi mpamvu niyo gusa bose turabakunda uri gukora kandi
ntabwo nabona ikintu kivuga ngo batangure gusa kuvuga ngo nta igihembo cy'umuntu wabategura ibintu byose cyangwa festival ikomeye gutya mukaba igihembo cy'ukuntu mwanyuze ni ukuri ariko Imana yashyizeho amavuta yo gukunda. Ndashima Imana yuko ikintu cyose ngiyemo imico gikundo niyo nsenga Imana iyo igikundo ibintu rero ni mu bintu byo Imana ikorera ni cyane mu gihe Imana wogushye.
Hallelujah.
He just expressed his gratitude and say that in every prayer, in every preparation of everything, he asked for favor. And lo and behold, the favor is indeed manifesting in different ways. So again, congratulations for receiving this special award. Masharket, the African Film Festival is grateful to have you.
Thank you very much indeed. Reka dukomezanye n'icyiciro gikurikiyeho tugana gake gake ku musozo tugarutse muzi wacu. Izi ngizi ni filime zahize izindi, filime yahize izindi muri filime zica kuri murandasi, filime zica kuri filime z'uruhererekane zica kuri murandasi. Reka dusabe niba hari amashusho ajyanye nazo muyacisheho maze dusabe uhagarariye B1 Gen tubibutsa ko badufitiye amakokiteri aryoshye cyane.
The best film in the TV series, in the web series, who is the winner?
Voilà, who is the winner? Reka dufashe bamuhe n'ibahasha maze tumusabe yerekere hano imbere kugira ngo aduhishurire. So if you are a fan of gin, we have some cocktails, some gin-based cocktails outside, and best of all, it is absolutely free from B1 Gin.
Do not drink and drive. You better have the driver ready.
Here we go. Forest. Hallelujah. Kinaman baragushaka hano, Kinaman baragushaka hano. Maze rero Big One Gym n'umuterankunga bari n'ikindi gihembo bakakutereka babyigire.
Tungane Big One Gym ikinyobwa cyiza cyane muri iki gihugu, so twemerewe
Nyambo, where are you? Nyambo, grato ti fonte. Grato na bulu ti bulu. You just mureba, just this is the guy. You know what this is just. This is my daddy. You know how I'm doing. Uyu nguyu washaringiraga dekorasi ya soka. Is the guy who has been sharing my movie. Editor and camera. Nyambo, where are you, Nyambo? Nyambo, please. Guys, I really appreciate that I should be done. Every day I used to go to that forest. I don't know. Thank you, Masharket. Where is that CEO? Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. You guys, you know, they used to call me game changer because of the movie I've been on. So, ndabashimira cyane, ndashimira Team n'abandi, ndashimira buri muntu uwo ari we wese wajanga witabiriye, ariko this guy njyewe nize amategeko, nize law. I was not accepting, like, ntabwo nari nzi ko nshobora gukora bino bintu. But this guy changed my journey. He's the one who told me that you can do it. And he told, like, everything. So now people, they are calling me game changer because of this guy. I want to appreciate him in front of you. Thank you, Daddy.
Fata igihembo cyawe ntiwibagirwe n'iyo karito wisangire n'abo bantu bose watubwiye.
Congratulations once again to the best film web series, The Forest.
the next last
Fructueuse et pleine d'émotion.
suivant. We are going for the best film TV series. The best film TV series. For that, we would like to welcome the representative Kigali Smart Solution and Taka Design. Please step forward to present the award of the best film TV series.
Abahagarariye Kigali Smart Solution ndetse na Taka Design basabe ugereje gutera intambwe mu gisata n'imbere kugira ngo bifashe gutanga igihembo cya Best Film TV Series. Muzi wacu. Come on over, guys.
Congratulations to the best film TV series.
Kalisa abafatwe muri Kigali Smart Solution na Taka Design badufashe mu gutanga igihembo. Mwese ni karibu. Félicitations cyane, congratulations. Felicitations cyane. Timu yose ya Kalisa wa Kalisa.
Best Film TV Series, Kalisa wa Kalisa. Congratulations. So, we're coming down, we're winding down to the closing of the ceremony.
Absolument. Et voilà, c'était une très belle cérémonie qui malheureusement, on va dire ça comme ça, touche à sa fin, mais heureusement, on ne fait que se préparer pour revenir l'année prochaine.
The Easy Watch category, that there is an envelope of some remuneration, some award, some thanksgiving of your contribution to the creative industry.
Lisa, du cinéma rwandais. Kubakunda ndetse na cyane bakunda bakina nk'umugabo n'umugore muri bamenya ikaze Kayibana Soleil. Amashyi y'ahantu ndabishahagari Kayibana Soleil. Yego muri bamenya ajya mu bamenya benshi ariko kubakunda cyane abyo n'uwo Decoré as husband and wife in a very popular TV series called Nyarwanda. And now, we want to tell you what director yayoboye filime nyinshi cyane zitunganya bamwita Apollinaire tukakirana amakire cyane kandi twakira abakinnyi gusa n'abadufasha gutunganya filime abazitugezaho bagatuma tuzikunda umuntu akina ariko ahanganye na mugenzi the winning Daniel. Witwa Bunduki ndetse n'umukinnyi wa filime witwa Miki. Twakirana amashyi cyane murabazi murabakunda badufasha gutunganya filime nyarwanda zikinamo kandi n'umuhanga cyane
Genzi. Jackie from Burundi.
to our stars, our movie stars. Can we give them a big round of applause one more time? And I'm looking at you all, keep our passion inside. Nobody could be shouting in Nyarwanda.
Murakoze cyane kubw'impano zanyu kubw'umwana wanyu mukomerezeho urugendo rwiza.
Thank you very much. Noneho bahageze abashyitsi bacu bigena bikaba ngo dutangirane uyu muhango wo gusoza festival ya Masharket iserukiramuco rya filime nyafurika. Umuyobozi wa festival
But to follow a documentary, 10 years of Mashariki African Film Festival in the making. It has taken sweat, it has taken efforts, it has taken energy, it has taken time from each and every person. Let us follow the documentary to appreciate the journey of 10 years in the making. Nous allons suivre un documentaire de 10 ans de Mashariki African Film Festival. Ça fait 10 ans qu'on prépare, qu'on fait, qu'on célèbre, qu'on met d'énergie et d'efforts, qu'on célèbre les films africains. Nous allons suivre le documentaire de Mashariki African Film Festival pour la 10e édition.
Réalisateur, producteur, et je suis aussi le président, directeur fondateur du festival Mashariki. I'm the project manager at Tunis Cinema Project. Njyewe icyo navuga kuri sinema navuga iyi festival ya Mashariki yatangiye mu kuvuga imyaka 10 ishize. Mu myaka 10 ishize tugitangira twasanze umuco wo kureba filime, umuco wa sinema mu gihugu wari hasi cyane. Twahise dusanga dufite objectif yo gutangira tukigisha abantu, tukigisha communauté ibya sinema kuko tuzi akamaro ka sinema. Turabizi yuko ushobora guhindura ibintu bitandukanye biciye muri sinema. Tugitangira nicyo twakoze.
Representatives, of course, unfortunately, we can't all be on the stage to cut the cake, but we will believe that the representatives will stand in well for us because of the love they exude for the African film industry.
Absolutely. Right? We would like to invite our CEO, Mr. Trésor, Mr. Martin, Mr. George, and Mr. Adeba. Can you please join us here and do the honors and cut that cake for us as the music of...
So Professor Martin Handel, Mr. Adebola Williams, Mr. Trésor Senga, and...
Let's
go start, let's look.
Wait, don't move it. I am told, I am asked that all of you with a very beautiful makeup.
From the jury to give us a few summary words of what they went with to choose the winner. So let's welcome the trailers for both coming actress.
Icyiciro gikurikiyeho icyiciro cy'abakinnyi ba filime b'abagore bashamuka bakizamuka turagira ngo turebe batwereke amashusho y'abari bo batandukanye noneho tuze gusaba yuko duhishurirwa wahize abandi.
Let us welcome
Ineza, Bernice, Kayla.
Our representative from Media Project representative to come and give the award. We would like to welcome someone from Media Project representative to present the award. Media Project to present the award.
Komanda Masharket cyane Kayla. Mu bakizamuka ni uhiza abandi mu bagore reka tumenye none mu bagabo ninde.
So for the best actor, we would like to welcome Canal Plus, a representative from Canal Plus, for the presentation of the award to the winner. A representative from our sponsor Canal Plus,
Est-ce qu'il y a un représentant de Canal Plus avec nous pour donner le certificat aux gagnants pour les nouveaux acteurs hommes?
There is a representative from our sponsor, Canal Plus. Please make a way forward to present the awards.
The best upcoming actor is Ruema. Congratulations. Tout le monde dit la machine mécanique, Ruema. Jimirimana Yannick. Pour la meilleure série télé au niveau de l'Afrique, pour qu'il nous donne qu'ils disent quelques mots, et ensuite on va savoir mais quel était.
Film Festival CEO, Mr. Trezo. Come on, guys, well. Thank you. The festival director, Professor Martin Handel. And of course, the whole of Masharket team for a very successful festival. And no, I'm not saying this because they gave me my first Kigali experience, but because of they created this wonderful platform for all African creatives, and they deserve a really big round of applause for that. Okay. Now is the winner. Okay, so the winner is
To receive the award, we'll have the team. Representative from Sony in Africa to present the award, please. Musikuzi Botman will receive the award on behalf of the winning team.
these guys are so excited.
Okay, as the right true best actor TV series is Bamenya.
Yes,